How to show website logo in Google search. As you can see, this is my website and there is no logo showing here. If we visit a website, it is not showing here as well. This is a favicon or logo of a website. To fix this, we need to install Rank Math SEO or Yoast SEO. Make sure Yoast SEO plugin installed. Click it here. Here, click on settings. Here you can see site basics. Click it here. Here you can see site image. Recommended size 1200 multiply 675 pixel. Upload the image. Make sure the size is correct. After that, click on site representation. Here we need to upload organization logo as well. Select image. Select the image and after that click on appearance and then go to customize. Here click on site identity. Here we need to select site icon. Make sure the size is 512 by 512 pixel. Select site icon. Now upload the image. After that click on publish. Now let's check it. If we refresh the website, as you can see here, the website logo or icon or favicon is showing here. If the website logo still not showing here, sometime Google takes 1 to 2 days to reflect the changes. This is normal. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.